This video breaks down the best Airwallex payment workflow for businesses that want speed, control, and lower costs in dollars. The workflow starts with account setup and verification, where businesses open a multi-currency account that can hold, send, and receive dollars alongside other major currencies. There is no unnecessary complexity here. Once approved, you get local USD account details that plug directly into your operations. The next step is receiving payments. Customers pay you in dollars through bank transfers, cards, or integrated checkout tools. Funds land directly in your Airwallex USD balance, not routed through multiple intermediaries. This reduces delays and keeps reconciliation clean. Every incoming payment is automatically tagged, making it easy to match invoices and track revenue in dollars without manual work. After receiving funds, the workflow moves to currency management. You can hold dollars, convert to other currencies only when needed, and avoid forced conversions. FX conversions are transparent, shown clearly in dollars before execution. This is critical for protecting margins, especially for international businesses dealing with suppliers in different regions. Paying out is where the workflow really shines. From your dollar balance, you can pay vendors, freelancers, and partners globally using local rails or international transfers. Payments go out directly from your Airwallex dashboard or API, with fees displayed up front in dollars. Bulk payments and scheduled payouts reduce operational friction and save time. The final layer is automation and reporting. Airwallex integrates with accounting and ERP tools, syncing every dollar in and out in real time. APIs allow full control for platforms and tech-driven companies, while dashboards give finance teams instant visibility. The result is a streamlined dollar-based payment workflow that cuts costs, improves cash flow, and gives businesses full control from payment collection to global payouts.